Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix to add cards, keys, tickets and passes to wallet. Look for the add to wallet button in apps, emails and websites. So guys, if you are trying to add card to your wallet for your Apple Pay but you are facing this pop-up again and again and you are unable to add your card to your wallet, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you add your cards to your wallet in your Apple Pay. So guys, you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, close the window and go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and now scroll it below and tap on language and region, and from here tap on region and select your country or region where the Apple Pay is available. So guys, select the country or region where the Apple Pay is available to add cards. So guys, here I am selecting United States. So guys, here it is, and now simply tap on change to English and wait here for some seconds. So guys, once you've done this, simply go back and now you have to go to your wallet again, and from here you have to simply tap on add card. So guys, wait here for some seconds, and now you can see this, you can easily add your card to your wallet for Apple Pay from here. So guys, here you can see this, you can add debit or credit card, your Apple account or your Apple card or all this stuff. So guys, in this way you can also add cards to your wallet for Apple Pay if you are also facing this problem. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.